Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a little review of the Made by Mitchell curve case. Now I saw this a lot on TikTok and I was very curious. They had a promotion, so I purchased. So this is a cream blush and contour palette. I think it's so beautiful. And so there's light, medium, and deep. This is obviously the deep palette. So Made by Mitchell was started by Mitchell Holiday. He's a makeup artist who started his own brand in 2020. So it's you have 4 stunning bronze and contour shades. And then you have the cream blushes as well. Tailored to suit every skin tone. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box. So this retails, I think for 30 pounds, which is about 36 or 37 US dollars. But like I said, I got it in the promotion, so I think I paid like $31. I got mine from Beauty Bay. All right, so I look crazy because I'm just wearing foundation and concealer. And so I want to jump right in. So I'm going to put it on my face first and then I'm going to swatch it because I don't want to disturb the palette. It's so pretty, guys. Look at it. Isn't it cute? So I'm going to start off contouring with this shade right here. The second one. Just looks so creamy. But since I'm going to go into this shade, let's swatch it first. If I can get my nails in here. Oh, super creamy. Look at that. That's pretty. That is very pretty. All right, so I'm using my Sonia G detailed brush, face brush from her Lotus set, face set. Because I find this brush picks up very well. And let's see what we get. That's super pretty. That is pretty. I like this. Blend it out really nice because my fear was, because I didn't want to swatch it. I didn't want to swatch it before I got on camera. But my fear was, is it going to be sticky? Because it looked sort of sticky in the palette. Like that Vanessa Myricks, her like lip and cheek palette. But this doesn't feel sticky at all. And it went on really nice, and it doesn't, because I thought it was more like a greasier texture, but it's not. I don't know if it's the brush or my dry skin, but this is really nice. So the other side, because I want to try to use as much as possible, I'm going to use the one right next to it, this shade right here, and the other, who cares, right? On the other side. So let's swatch this one before we use it. Oh, look how rich this is. Come through. Come through, Mitchell. Let's get it on the chickadees. All right. I'm using the same brush. This is surprisingly drier than I thought. I don't mind it. I like that. I thought it would be like oily. Let's try another brush. I'm gonna try my Smashbox brush. This one is not clean, but let me see if I can just wipe it off a little bit. I just want to see. All right, let's go in. Oh, this mirror. Okay, I think this brush has a better application because it's denser. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, this is really nice. You guys seeing this, right? I don't care. I'm mixing the two. This is lovely. This is very lovely. I like this a lot. So this same shade, because it's nice and warm, the same shade I used on this side, I'm gonna put it around my forehead. I'm so pleasantly surprised by this little palette here. It's like creamy goodness. What? You guys are seeing this? Oh, this is so nice. This is nice. It's going on so beautifully. It's not patchy. It's very smooth. It's creamy. Because this was hyped up so much on TikTok. And sometimes, you know, people hype stuff up because a lot of people get commissions and stuff. But this is worth the hype. And you get a lot of product. Oh, this is so pretty. How pretty are these shades? Those two shades. This is so beautiful. And this is perfect for deep skin. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch. The other two I didn't use. The two on the outer. You can't miss with these shades. You cannot miss with these shades at all. And let's get the last one. Look how dark and chocolatey this one is. These would probably look nice on the lips too. Look at that. Like if you have really, really like deep skin. Isn't that gorgeous? And the texture is really nice. Because like when you feel it or you look at it in the pan, it sort of looks like it would be like really greasy and slipping. Definitely not greasy. It's definitely not slipping. All right, so let's look at the beautiful blushes. All right, guys, now for the blushes. And believe it or not, it's late evening now. I was in the middle of filming. I was just getting ready to get to the blushes. I got a call from my son's school. If you're an OG, you've been here for a long time. I have a son with very high special needs, and when the school calls, it's bad and I have to go. So this is literally now, it's 6:42, but I just want to finish up. I've refreshed my face, and like a pro, I'm going to continue. All right, so for the blushes, and what I realized, the names are on the back. The names of the bronzers are on the back and the blushes. So I was thinking of doing this soft pink shade, but then I just can't resist the oranges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use, and this one is called Mango Daiquiri, this pretty shade, this mango shade. And it looks a little different with the nightlight, and I'm gonna do Where's the SPF, which is the more orange shade. All right, so let's continue. Whew. So I'm gonna do the Mango Daiquiri. I'm curious to see how this is going to look. Will it show up on my skin tone? I'm using a sponge. Oh, showed up, did show up. But I have to like press. Okay, oh, it's pretty. I can definitely see it, but with this shade, I don't know would I like ever use it by itself. It's very pretty though. So I'm gonna clean the sponge off. And I'm gonna go in with that orange shade. And I think I may tap the orange shade over this. It may look nice, but I just wanted you guys to see how pigmented and how beautiful these brushes are. So I'm gonna go in with the orange shade, which is, Where's the SPF? On this side of my cheek. I try to refresh my face as much as, And what I love about it, oh my God, it's going on so beautifully. Look at that. Look at the way that went on. This is a gorgeous palette. I'm sorry, it really is. Let's put a little bit of this over top of this and see if I can mix the two. And this Mango Daiquiri I can probably use like as an eyeshadow as well. Oh, it looks nice when it's mixed. So at least you guys got to see it by itself and then you got to see it mixed. Look how beautiful and pigmented these shades are. Oh my God. Let me swatch the pink, the two pink shades, so you can see how stunning they are. Look at that. These are gonna look so beautiful on. They're so smooth. It does not pick up your makeup. It's not patchy. These are so well made. If you hear that humming, that's my son. Bad boy baby. Oh, he gave me a run for my money today, girl. I was close to tears. But the show must go on. I love this palette. I love this palette. All right, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back with the rest of my face done. This palette is worth every penny. It's so well done. You get such amazing payoff from each color. And what I love about it the most, I'm going to use every shade in this palette. Because, you know, sometimes you get a palette and maybe, because this has what, 8 shades, and you could probably only use maybe 4 or sometimes even 3. I'll be using every shade in this palette. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette, guys. The contour shades are rich, beautiful, creamy, not slippery, not too wet where it's slippery and it's patchy. It's just perfect. The shades are amazing. So beautiful. I think he did a great job creating this deep palette. Now, I set my face with powder. I didn't put a blush on. I just put a little highlighter because I wanted the colors to like really come through, and I think they are. This is a very nice palette, guys. If you guys can get your hands on it, I would suggest you go in Beauty Bay and get it. I mean, I always tell you guys to buy stuff, but hey, you guys are my partners in crime. It's very beautiful. I love this palette so much. I'm obsessed with the contour shades, guys. It's so amazing. So amazing. And the blush shades. And of course, I'm going to be using this palette some more on my channel so you guys can see the pink shades. And I'll continue to use it like in videos so you guys can see more of it. But it's absolutely stunning. And I'm so glad I bought it. Look how pretty. And that Mango Daiquiri, oh, I think it's very pretty. But I think you have to have like a certain sophistication to use it. Maybe as a topper over something else, especially on my skin tone. I think if you're darker than me, I think it will pop more. I think it would look amazing if you're darker than me. And for me, I'm gonna mix it with the orange shade. I'm talking to my son. I'm gonna mix it with the orange shade, but overall, I think this palette is so beautiful and you can see for yourself. And I hope this evening lighting doesn't like throw you guys off, but like I said, I had to do what I had to do because I wanted to finish filming this video. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.